Bryce. We're about to go rip, right? And he decides he's gonna get me a cookie. Bryce, what kind of cookies do I eat?
I don't know anymore.
I don't know anymore. What's the only kind of cookie you've ever seen me eat? Come on, you can do it, little guy.
Oreos?
Mm-hmm. Okay, what are the 2 cookies that I eat? And I know you're just being a smartass now.
And chocolate chip.
Yeah, yeah. But he gets me this nasty ass no-bake cookie.
It's not nasty.
It's nasty. It is nasty. That is the nastiest nasty of cookies that you could ever possibly think of creating. It's so gross. You know what? Maybe we should just cut to the flight footage right here.
A person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. So, he loses touch with reality and lives in a world of illusions. By thoughts, I mean specifically chatter in the skull, perpetual and compulsive repetition of words, of reckoning and calculating. I'm not saying that thinking is bad. Like everything else, is useful in moderation. A good servant, but a bad master. And all so-called civilized peoples have increasingly become crazy and self-destructive because through excessive thinking they have lost touch with reality. That's to say, we confuse science with the real world. This is the beginning of meditation.
Mission fucking accomplished. Holy fuck balls.